Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. I got a bunch of random things at a mall in Japan, so a lot of mystery items, so we're just gonna dig in and open a couple. Let's see, first one. Oops. Oh yeah, we got the sneaker of Tom and Jerry. So we'll open those up and see which one we get. Okay, let's see which one we got. Here's the options. I'm gonna put it sideways. Focus. Come on, phone. It's like the new Samsung Galaxy and the zoom is not amazing. There we go. Alright, let's see. Ooh, orange. The orange one. I'm trying to work through all that. How freaking cute is this? Oh my gosh. I love it. The detail on this is amazing. He's all laughing and giggles because Tom is getting bullied by the dog. What's the dog's name, you guys? Anyway, super cute find. Love it. I will be getting more of these. Okay. Without looking. Let's see what this is. We got a lot of Tom and Jerry stuff because I went to this one store where it's very nostalgic. And there's Tom and Jerry, Gremlins, Super Mario. Very cool stuff. I think it fell out. Alright, let's see what this is. Oh yeah, this is part of the keychain. I'm like, it's still in there. I feel it. Alright, ready? I think this is Tom and Jerry too. 1, 2, and... Oh no, it's the Gremlins. Oh, that's so cool. They ate the chicken after midnight, y'all. They messed up. Alright, let's keep going. This is fun. Reach into the baggy egg. Let's see what this is. Ah. Let's open it. Oh my god, this is hard. Ooh. Oh no. Alright, hold on. I'm gonna cheat. Sorry, not sorry. Ah. Okay. I don't remember the white kitty. Or is that a mouse? That's a mouse. I don't really remember all that. I remember Tom and Jerry and that was it. Do you guys remember these two? Is that like their significant others? Aw, he is crazy about you. It's a little cassette tape. Wow. Let's learn how to talk today. Anyway, cute. Alright, we'll do one more. Let's do this one. Ooh, Disney. 100. What is it? Okay, I don't even know. Anyway, it's just Disney characters, but I love Disney, so let's open it. Who are we gonna get? Oh, looks like Mickey. Minnie. Minnie. I like said that. Like I had it in my head that it was Minnie, and I said Mickey. Anyway, super cute. It's like a decent size too. She's just plastic though. She's cute. Thanks for opening things with me. Have a great day.